Tonight, a state senator is calling for a special legislative session to deal with Florida's property insurance problem. Florida's insurance market was already in crisis before Hurricane Ian. Now the state faces billions of dollars in damage. Investigator Lewis Bolden caught up with State Senator Jeff Brandes, who was on his way to Fort Myers but pulled over for an interview.
Florida was already in an incredibly challenging property insurance market. Ian only makes it worse.
State Senator Jeff Brandes has been sounding the alarm about Florida's insurance market since well before Hurricane Ian. He says now action to correct the market has to be swift.
So the number one thing that needs to happen is that the legislature needs to go back into special session in November, right after the election, and they need to begin to deal with some of the major issues of tort reform that need to happen in Florida.
Why not wait until the regular session?
The problem with property insurance legislation is it normally takes 18 to 24 months to work through your books. So if you wait until the regular session, which starts in March, you may not pass anything until April or beginning of May, and it won't go into effect until July. If it doesn't happen immediately, we're going to see the market, we're going to see more and more companies failing or leaving the market altogether. And that just means higher prices and less competition for Floridians.
Listen, a lot of people, a lot of citizens that I interviewed had high hopes for the last special session, but they were disappointed afterwards because they never saw their rates go down.
Right.
What makes you think the legislature will get it right with another special session?
They really don't have a choice right now. Listen, the legislature has kicked the can so far down the road that they've run out of road. There is no more options right now. If the legislature does nothing, or if the legislature waits until regular session, people are going to be looking at 30 to 40% rate increases on top of the 100% rate increases that they've seen over the last 2 or 3 years. It is unsustainable, and you're about to gut the middle class of the state of Florida if you don't fix property insurance. Floridians will begin to pay within the next 18 to 24 months more in property insurance than they are in their mortgage.
We've reached out to the governor's office for a response to this call for a special session. As soon as we hear back, we'll let you know. Getting results, I'm Lewis Bolden, News 6.